one merrier and more courteous, and better discoursing, and a better company, and better at telling the valiant from the mean, and better at telling lie from truth, and able to tell in advance what is annoyance or pleasure. Since love can give so rich a meed, nothing should shield itself from love. Oh, therefore, my lady, my opinion is that since love is the flower and fruit of all good, if rank and beauty advise your fair person not to love, they advise it ill. The more God and merit exalt you, the more humility you ought to have. But your status is so much higher than mine, nor is your worth willing to descend so low. And since I love the most charming thing that my eyes ever saw, I should find mercy, yes, if it pleased her. For while she profits of all good qualities, I wait for so much humility to enter her heart that she gives me without asking. What joy I could not hope for by asking. Since I always want, since I dare aspire to her, to reject and refuse an unseemly behavior. So much have love and joy ensnared and caught me in her precious, gay and courtly person, where pleasure, youth and beauty reside, along with her high word that the delight I feel cannot be contained in me. Consider what pleasure love would give me if it gave me delight, since merely by listening to her I feel such 1,000 joys. To you, through whom merit is born and lives and has its being, beautiful lady, Countess of Burlettes, flows my song. For you ever improve wheresoever you reside. Their worth nor youth, nor amusement, nor pleasure can decline. For as the wind spreads the flame afar, so I see your worth reign over the best. Make yourself known, my song, to my assurance, and tell her, for it will please her, that no one can speak, nor understand, nor sing better than her. For she exceedingly strives to learn. Most gracious, albeit I tarry in seeing you, nothing but you has power over me. Nor do I write songs for giving or selling, but for you